In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for event planning. Whether you're organizing a corporate conference, a wedding, or a community fundraiser, Trello is an excellent tool to keep everything on track. With its flexible layout and powerful features, you can streamline your workflow, collaborate with your team, and never miss a deadline. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully customized Trello board designed specifically for planning your next event. Let's get started. First, begin by creating a new board in Trello. Give it a name that reflects your event, such as event planning or something more specific like Summer Gala 2025. This will serve as your central hub for all event-related tasks. Next, set up the workflow by adding lists to your board. Start with a list called Ideas or Backlog, where you can jot down tasks during brainstorming sessions. After that, create a to-do list where you'll move tasks that are ready to be worked on. For tasks that are actively in progress, add a doing list. To handle tasks that are blocked or require external approvals, create a list called Waiting or Outsourced. Finally, include a done list to celebrate your completed tasks and track your progress. Now, it's time to add some structure to your board. Create a card for each major task. For example, you might create cards titled Book Venue, Send Invites, or Plan Catering. Once you've added the main tasks, open each card and break them into smaller, actionable steps using checklists. For instance, if you're working on the Send Invites card, your checklist could include steps like design, print, and mail. To stay on top of deadlines, assign due dates to your cards. This makes your timeline visible and ensures tasks are completed on schedule. To add another layer of organization, use labels to color code your cards by category. For example, you could have one color for venue, another for catering, and so on. This way you can quickly identify the type of task at a glance. If you're working with a team, assign members to each card. This ensures everyone knows who is responsible for what, eliminating confusion and improving accountability. To get a clear visual of your timeline, enable Trello's calendar or planner view. Once you've done that, you can drag and drop cards on the calendar to adjust dates as needed. To take your scheduling a step further, connect your Google Calendar to Trello. This syncs your due dates with your personal or team calendar, giving you a unified view of all your deadlines. For even more efficiency, consider using Trello's event planning templates. These templates often come with pre-built lists and example cards to help you get started quickly. You can find them through Trello's template gallery. Another powerful feature is Trello's power-ups. For example, you can enable Zapier to automate repetitive tasks. This could include automatically updating due dates across related cards or sending notifications when tasks are completed. To maintain focus and avoid overwhelm, keep the doing list short with only 3 to 5 active tasks at any given time. This keeps your team concentrated on high-priority items and prevents multitasking overload. For related tasks, you can link cards together by copying a card's link and pasting it into another card's checklist. This is especially useful for tasks that depend on one another, keeping everything interconnected and easy to navigate. To create a Gantt-style schedule, switch to Trello's timeline view. This allows you to see how tasks overlap and identify potential bottlenecks in your planning. It's an excellent way to visualize your event's critical path. Once your event is complete, don't scrap your board. Instead, reuse and refine it for your next event. By keeping your structure and updating tasks, you can save time and build on your experience for even smoother planning in the future. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.